This is our data. We have data in liters of water. They're small data sets so that you can enter them into the calculator quickly, which if you needed to do that on the AP statistics test, you would be given likely small data sets. So you would enter the data, and just to recap how you do that, you would, when you're a calculator, you start out with this blank screen, and we're going to go to the Stat button. Once we're in the Stat button, we're going to go to the first thing there, which is Edit. We're going to click that Edit, and in L1, we're going to put one of our data sets. So maybe basketball, and then in L2, we'll put the other one, soccer. I just did them alphabetically. And then we're going to need to run one variable statistics for each of them. So you'll clear out of that. You'll go back into Stat, but then over to Calc and to one variable stats. We could use two variable stats, but that's not going to give us the 5-number summary. So we're going to run one variable stats twice. So when you click the Calc button, one variable stats, you're going to bring up this menu, and under List, you see L1. So it's going to run one variable stats for L1, and you just hit Enter, 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 and you get these menus. So you'd want to write down like the mean. So our X bar, our sample standard deviation as X, and then our 5-number summary. Then you're going to go back and you're going to do this again after you've recorded those values, and you're going to change. So you're going to go to Stat, Calc, one variable stats, and you're going to change the list to L2. You could do that by second function to 2, and that will change that from an L1 to an L2, and you'll run one variable stats again, and it will bring up again your statistics that you'll record.